Hi, this is a training video on how to delete Business Manager if you set one up incorrectly, have more than one, or just no longer have a need for it. So I'm showing you how to do this from my own Business Manager. Of course, I'm not going to delete my own Business Manager, but I'm going to show you the steps. So when you go into business.facebook.com and log in, you will come up to a screen like this. If you rarely might have access to more than one business manager, you'll get something that looks like this. But most people will, especially non-agencies, will have just a business manager that looks like this. You just want to go to business settings and business info. So that is on the left hand side, business info, and permanently delete business. Again, I'm not going to do this because I don't want to delete my own, but that is how you do it. So you would just click on this and then follow the instructions and you should be able to delete Business Manager. And it is literally a 5 second gig.